Okay, yeah, we'll be working on questions that have to do with projections of straight lines. So we have a question that I'm going to show you how you can answer a question like this. So the question here says that a straight line AB 50 millimeters long makes an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal plane. The end A is 12 millimeters above the horizontal plane and 15 millimeters in front of the vertical plane. Draw the top view and front view of the line AB. That is the question. Now, this question is like something that we have here. So we have a straight line AB of length 50 millimeters. And this line AB is inclined at an angle 30 degrees to this horizontal plane. So the angle here, this angle is 30 degrees. So the angle that we have here, this angle is 30 degrees. So line AB is inclined to the horizontal plane. Now if you look at this line in this direction, we have to produce the front view on the vertical plane and the top view on the horizontal plane. So that's what the question says we should have. We should draw the front view of the line and the top view of the line. So that's what the question says we should do. Now, so the first thing that you need to do in answering this question is to draw a horizontal line. That is the XY line. So it goes like this. So here we have this as point X. So this is X and this is Y. Alright. So the next thing that you need to do is that, so take your set square. So set it at this point and draw a vertical line. Now, from the question, we are told that the end A is 12 millimeters above the horizontal plane and 15 millimeters in front of the vertical plane. So what does that mean? Now let me bring back the diagram. Now the end A is 12 millimeters above the horizontal plane. So distance from this point to this point here, distance from here to here is 12 millimeters. Now if you look at the distance from this point to this point, we can take it from the XY line up to this point, from XY line here up to this point. So this distance 12 millimeters, in which we are told that distance A is 12 millimeters above the HP, will be taken on the vertical plane. It will be taken on the vertical plane. So this 12 millimeters, we are going to take it from this XY line and then we take 12 millimeters up the vertical plane. So take note of that. Then we are also told that this point A or end A of line AB is 15 millimeters in front of the vertical plane. That means distance from here to here, or distance A from the vertical plane is 12 millimeters. 15 millimeters. And if you look at it, it's also the same as this. The distance from here to here is also the same as distance from here to here, meaning that we can take 15 millimeters from this point to this point, and that will be taken on the horizontal plane. It will be taken on the horizontal plane. What horizontal plane? What I'm saying is that what you need to do now, so you take your ruler and take a measurement. So take a measurement of 12 millimeters from here to here on the vertical plane, and then from here take a measurement of 15 millimeters on the horizontal plane. So after you have done this, draw a horizontal line like this, and then so you come up here, you draw a horizontal line like this. All right. So this point here is point A, and this point is point A prime. So this is the vertical plane, this is the vertical plane, and this is horizontal plane. All right. Now, the next thing that we are going to do here is that we assume that the line AB of length 50 millimeters, as said in the question, is parallel to the XY line. We assume that it's parallel to the XY line. So in that case, we take a measurement of 50 millimeters on this line. So take a measurement of 50 millimeters on this line. So this is 50 millimeters. You take it here on the vertical plane. So after you have taken this, then you take your 30 degrees set square. So take your 30 degrees set square, as you can see here, and you set it on this point A prime on the vertical plane. Then draw a line like this. So draw this line. So, and then the next thing that you need to do is that from this point that we have here, so let me call this point, let me call it point B1. Point B1. So from this point B1, from point B1, draw a vertical line up here. Draw a vertical line up here. Or it's not compulsory, so it may not be compulsory, it's not compulsory. So I may not draw it, and I can draw it if I like. So I've drawn it, so I'm going to leave it like that. So distance between A prime and B1 is 50 millimeters, which is the length of the line that we are asked to draw its front view and the top view. So from this point, put your compass at point A prime here and extend it to B1 here. Extend to B1. Then you draw an arc like this. So wherever this arc touch on this line, so you call it B prime. So this is B prime. So this line A prime B prime is the true length of line AB. Is true length of line AB, and it's also the front view of line AB. It is equal to 50 millimeters. This line is equal to 50 millimeters if you take the measurement. This is it. It's equal to 50 millimeters. So I will come back to other things about it. So this is the front view of line AB. This is the front view of line AB, and it is also the true length of line AB. It is the true length of line AB, so which is equal to 50 millimeters. Then we have drawn the front view, so it remains the plan. So the plan will be drawn, or the top view will be drawn on the horizontal plane. So for me to draw the top view, so from this point B prime here, from point B prime, I will draw a vertical line onto the horizontal plane. So it comes down like this. So wherever I touch on this line, and we have on the horizontal plane, so you call this point, you call it point B. So this is point B here. All right, so this line, so I need to make it thick. So this line that we have here, this line AB, is the top view of line AB. So this is the top view of line AB. So the top view of line AB is shorter than the front view. Why? Because line AB is parallel to the vertical plane. So as I've said before, that when a line is parallel to a particular plane, by projecting the line onto that plane to which it is parallel. So the line that we have on that plane to which it's parallel will be its true length. So that's why we have this to be 50 millimeters, which is the true length of line AB. But if you look at this line AB in the plan, or in the top, as the top view, is not equal in length to line AB here. So this angle here, as we are told in the question, that line AB is inclined at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal plane. So this angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So that is what we have in this diagram here, that we have this line AB to be, line AB is parallel to the vertical plane, and line A prime B prime is equal to AB. Because this line is parallel to the vertical plane, so the same thing applies to this. So because the line is parallel to the vertical plane, so we have this to be the true length. So, and if you look at this, the top view is shorter than the line AB, and that's what we have here. So this is the solution to the question. Thank you.